Hey, Troy here, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you why I believe the number one reason after 10 years of marketing online, why I believe that most people struggle in their work from home, make money online business opportunities, and how you can fix it instantly, how you can generate free website traffic, free leads, and in particular, how to close more sales. So if you want to know how to get more leads and traffic and close more sales, stay plugged into this video. And if this video resonates with you, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. So what I'm going to be talking to you today about is a system that is known as Cardly. It's 100% free to join. And when you are able to give something away of tremendous value that is free, you take away people's defenses, especially if you're using social media, which most people are, to promote and market your business. So what does Cardly have to offer? Well, from my Cardly page that you're looking at right now, and this digital business card, I've got this start here video. It introduces me. It tells people what I'm all about. It tells people how I can help them in business. I've got my instant cash system in here, which is a way for people that are looking to make either several hundreds or even four figures in a day and get paid instantly. I've got some AI tools for business that people can use. I'm showing people how to get USA free leads. And in addition, when people have gone through these buttons over here, if they want to reach out and contact me, which a lot of them are, they could schedule a Zoom chat, right? They could reach me on social media. I've got my most prevalent social media platforms and profiles in here. And in addition, people can send me over an email. People can call or text me. And what I love about this program and the fastest way to get more traffic and leads for free right off of social media is you've got to give people a reason to know, like, and trust you. Look, your profile, and I'm just going to use Facebook as an example, your profile is all that people have to go on to learn more about you. So how often do you get friend requests every day on Facebook, or connections on Instagram or on LinkedIn? People are doing that subconsciously, the majority of them, because they have something to sell you. And the biggest reason why a lot of people are apprehensive to actually engaging and connecting with you is everyone likes to buy, but nobody likes to be sold. So not only was I able to create a free digital business card through Cardly, but I've got this page that you're looking at right now, which is my contact link that is associated with my Cardly. Now look at this for a second, right? I'm personally branded as a business strategy consultant expert. I've got my nice to meet you video that I just shared with you on my other page. So if I'm chatting with someone online and they're interested in sharing with me their opportunity, guess what? I'm just going to tell them, listen, I'm going to be honest, I don't really discuss business over social media, but if I may, let me know if it's all right if I send you my contact information, so at least this way we can stay in touch. What do you think they're going to say? Right? Most of the time, people are going to say, sure, send it over to me. And when I send them my Cardly link, they see me branded as a real professional, right? So as far as my contact digital card, I could send them this link. They can just simply scroll down here, click this Save Now button, get my contact information, learn a lot more about me. And what if you're in person, right? Maybe you're at a restaurant. Maybe you're at your kid's baseball game. you strike up a conversation. Someone seems really interested in getting to know you. They're perhaps looking to make some extra money online. Maybe they're successful. Maybe they have a brick and mortar business. They pull out their 1992 business card, right? Which, let's face it, that usually ends up in someone's sock drawer or in the garbage. If all of a sudden I pulled out my cell phone and I said, "Hey, Bob, do you have your cell phone handy?" They pull out their cell phone. I can just simply have them scan this code and download my contact information. Now, what do you think is going to impress people more? That 1992 business card that looks ugly, or being able to say, "Hey, that guy or that girl was pretty cool. I like that tool that they use. I'm going to stay in touch with them." And that's what this really comes down to. It's your ability to not only connect with people, but to give them a reason to want to know, like, and trust you. And how do you get more traffic? How do you get more leads? How do you make more sales? You chop down people's defenses. You give them something that has so much value, that's free for them to join, that they almost feel foolish if they don't move forward. And I don't care if you're in network marketing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, your profile is not enough. Your last 10 posts that people look at, where you're talking about how you've got the greatest business opportunity you've ever seen, that's not going to do it. So, how do you create your own free Cardly? If you're watching this video on YouTube, go to my YouTube channel links, click on the links, look for Cardly, create your free account. If you're getting this video as a result of an email that you got, go back to that email, scroll to the very bottom, click on the link, create your Cardly free account. It literally takes a minute. And at the time of me shooting this video, there's not even a referral program attached to this. So, truth be told, I don't have anything to really gain by sharing this amazing opportunity with you. Hey, if you got some value from this, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Set up your free Cardly account today. You're absolutely going to love this. This is a complete game changer. And with that being said, once again, I'm Troy. I hope you have an amazing day. Take care.